October 10th, and we are about to set up the decorations for the pirate party. And we haven't looked under the tarp in about a year, so let's see what happens.
Hey. Hold still.
What are you doing, pumpkin boy? What you doing? Your pumpkins? Oh.
Well, last year, we were still in the pandemic. We decided to set up like a Halloween party as like a customer appreciation for the farm store. Mostly because everyone had been isolated and there was nothing really going on for anybody. And I think it went pretty well, right?
Yeah, it was actually really fun. We had some cool food and it was really cool. Everybody liked it a lot.
They were quite shocked. It was just something to give back to the community. So we decided to go with a pirate theme. We went a little overboard right out of the gates.
I don't think we did.
You don't think we did?
No, I think it was fine.
There's still room for improvement?
Yes.
We did a pirate ship. Some of the stuff that you just saw in the video we just set up. We have crates of skeletons,
Yeah.
a couple new things that we're
He bought 4
putting.
new skeletons and they came in huge Home Depot
I might have
boxes.
a problem.
He does.
Yes. I
A
don't know what
very
I'm gonna
mini
do.
one.
Just squished my sedum.
A little bit. So we'll be doing another customer appreciation party this year, of course. And we're gonna try to continue it on for as long as we can. Here.
No, that.
Oh, she
The
wants to carry
people.
the camera because it's a lot lighter.
And we'll carry the shovel.
Well, we're gonna set up one more little mast out in the yard, and then we'll do another video for next week when we get the rest of it set up for you. And we'll do like a little mini series during the party. We'll shoot
Yeah,
some footage.
little
You guys can
vlog.
check it out. See everything set up with all the lights and everything, because
Yeah.
there's boxes of lights too that need to go on.
Yeah, he pretty much just filled the basement with it.